We in the Bayard Partnership believe that excellence can only be achieved by employing people that are 100% connected to what they do, both intellectually and emotionally. We believe that the secret to our success year on year has come from the fact that we stick to our beliefs, by accepting the fact that we can only grow proportionally to our ability to find, attract, and most importantly, retain these rare and gifted people. Our clients tell us that they come back to us time and time again, not only because of the quality of the work that our associates deliver, but more importantly, because they simply have fun and enjoy having them within their organizations. We at the Bayard Partnership select all our project managers, change managers, interim managers, and solution architects by the same criteria: character, ability, and experience, in that order. We put character first because no matter how much ability and experience you have, if you don't have the right character, you simply won't fit. Now, this doesn't mean that we're all the same. We're not all identical. We all have our own personalities. Let me try and put it another way. Personally, I prefer to judge people and myself not by how they perform when they're winning, but how they perform when they're facing imminent failure. Imagine your project, no matter what it is in crisis. Do you lie awake at night worrying about whether you will still have a job in the morning? Or do you lie awake worrying about how you're going to motivate your team to come up with the final solution? In other words, do you worry about yourself, or do you worry about your team and how you're going to carry your client through these difficult times? I believe that real inner motivation comes when you give something to someone that is completely new to them. Give them a new challenge, something they've never done before. Why is this so important? I know there's a risk that they might fail, but as long as they're surrounded by people who can help them when they fall and have the experience to guide them through, the client benefits so much because they get the energy and passion and adrenaline that is not there if they do same old year in, year out. When you take on a new adventure, everything is in front of you. All those possibilities are there. Bayard people love life and they love their work and they love to do what they do. And often it's impossible for them to distinguish between the two. This is why our clients benefit from the kinds of people that we bring in to our partnership.